So what we'll do in this exercise is that we're going to create a new project, and we're going to make it a Windows Form application. Let's give it a little more descriptive name. What we're going to do is that we're going to build a project and then deploy it, and we'll see what deploying means. So let's call this deploy test, and we'll go ahead and OK that, create a directory for this solution, and goes off and does this. So we have our new Windows form here, and what we're going to do is to just add some things to it. Let me pin this down, and let's just drag some things on here. Say we're creating a program, and we add some things on here. Okay. So say we have our GUI built and we have all of our coding done for this project, whatever it would be. So we're all done with it. Let's go ahead and run it to make sure that everything works okay. So I'm going to do debug and start debugging. And it takes off and it actually runs this. So we're in good shape. Say everything is working okay. So what we're ready to do now is to deploy this application. Say it's some useful application for your business, and you want to have it installed in either one other computer or maybe many other computers. But they don't want to have to buy Visual Studio, or they don't want to have to download uh, the Express version of the software and install that. They just want the application. So if they just want the application and you want to quickly install it onto their computer, here's what you can do. You can package it up so that everything is there and have it installed on their computer. So first, let right now we were debugging it, but let's get it ready for release. Let's get it ready so that it would be an app that maybe you would publish, uh, that you would sell to other people. So you want the release version, not the debugging version. So we have it as release. Let's go ahead and build this, and we build, and it succeeded. Everything worked okay. So we are ready to go. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to, let's right click on this, and you see where one of these selections is publish. So I'm going to select that. And where do you want to publish it to? Well, let's see if we can find a place where I've got a Butler folder on my root drive. So let's put it there. Let's see. Let's call it, yeah, that'll work. So create a folder called deploy test under there. And we'll open that. It says, there is no deploy test. You want to go ahead and create this folder? Yes, we do. So it'll create that folder. Let's see what else we've got. From a CD-ROM or DVD-ROM? Well, okay. Well, what it's going to do is just, in essence, make a compressed version of the program and add all of the it will it will add all of the dependent files, so you don't have to go out there and specifically look for the files which are dependent upon running this program. It will go ahead and get all of those classes and packages and add them for you. So, okay. The application will not check for updates. Well, okay, that's up to you. Okay, and we are in essence all done. So it will be deployed, and let's see what it looks like when we get it deployed. So I'm going to click finish, and it's off and running. It's going and grabbing everything, and there it popped it up. So remember, there was a Butler folder on the root drive, and we created a folder called deploy test. Let me back up one level, and you see there it is. Deploy test has everything that I need. when you can put this onto a DVD, you can put it onto a flash drive, or you can even publish it. Uh, you can place it on the server so that way every you have access to all the computers on the network, and you can deploy it from there. You can set it up from there. Or say you have you're setting it up for some of the satellite companies in Minneapolis or Dallas or uh, Buenos Aires, Argentina. Well, you can deploy it to the web, and therefore you can actually set it up from anywhere. So there you've got all the files that you need. Uh, you'll you can have the client download this. They'll click setup, and it will deploy this for them, and your application will run. Okay. Okay. So that's it. What we did is that we created a new project, new solution, and then we set it up for deployment.